Hi everyone, let's start our seated yoga practice. You can sit in a cross-legged position how I am sitting, or you can also take one leg out if that's more comfortable for you. Sit in the most comfortable position to start your practice. Sit tall, resting your hands on your knees. Close your eyes for a few seconds. Let your thoughts settle in. And rest your hands on your abdomen. Let's take 3 deep breaths together. Breathing in through your nose, expand your belly. Breathing out through your nose, contract. Breathe in through your nose, expand your belly. Breathe out through your nose, take your belly in. Let's take one more deep breath here. Breathe in through your nose, expand your belly. And breathe out through your nose, contract. Gently get your belly to neutral position. Rest your hands back on your knees. Let your eyes be closed for a few more seconds. You can take this time to start to build focus for your practice. And on your next exhalation, gently open your eyes. Namaste, and let's continue with our practice. Stretch your arms up. Interlace your fingers. Breathe in. Give yourself a nice long stretch. Breathe in. Breathe out. Lean to your right. Gently rest your right hand down, taking your left arm more to your right. Come back to the center. Use your left hand to put on the right side of your head and take your head to the left. Stretching the right side of your neck. Breathe. Gently get your head to normal position. Take your arms up again. Breathe in. Interlace your fingers. Now lean to your left. Rest your left hand down. Taking your right arm more to the left. Breathe. Now take your right hand on the left side of your neck. Lean your head to the right. Breathe. And come back. Release your right hand. Open your arms back. Lift your heart. Take your head back slightly. Breathe. Come back to neutral position. Take your hands at the back of your neck. Take your chin to the chest, stretching the back of your neck. Breathe. Slowly get your head to neutral position. Take your hands back behind your hips. Palms are facing down, fingers pointing forward. Take your head back. Arch your back a bit. Taking a gentle back pat. One more breath here. Breathe in. And breathe out. Release your arms. Take your arms up again. Breathe in. Breathe out. Gently go forward. Taking a forward fold. Counter stretch. Let me show you the side view. Stretch your arms forward. Let your neck and shoulders relax. Continue to hold and breathe. Go as far as your lower back allows you. Listen to your body. Take your arms up. Breathe in. Interlace your fingers again. Breathe out. Take your arms at the shoulder level, palms at the eye level, round your spine, opening your upper back. Keep breathing. Gently take your arms up, breathe in, breathe out, twist to your right. Breathe in, arms up again. Breathe out, twist to your left. Gently come back to the center. Now, let's get into butterfly pose now, Baddha Konasana, joining your feet together, putting your hands at the top of your toes, and gently swing your knees up and down. Keep breathing, opening your hips. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now open your right leg to the side, left leg is bent, and take your left arm over your ears, resting your right hand on your right toes, right ankle or your right shin. Keep breathing. Gently come back to the center. Take your arms up, breathe in. Twist to your left. Rest your left hand on the right knee, right arm over your ears, opening your lower back. Keep breathing. Stay here. Gently release, come up. And then you turn your body to your right leg, giving yourself a nice hamstring release. Keep breathing. Slowly release, taking your arms up. Breathe in, breathe out, rest your hands down. Let's switch side. Opening your left leg to the side, resting your left hand on your toes or your ankle or your shin. Taking your right arm over your ears, right palm is facing down. Breathe. Hold it here. Slowly release, taking your arms up. Breathe. Then twisting to your right. Resting your left hand on the right knee, right arm over your ears. Keep breathing. And then you gently come up, taking both the arms, leaning towards your left leg, giving yourself a nice hamstring release on the left side. Keep breathing. Stay here for a few seconds. Take one more breath. Breathe in and breathe out. Gently come up. Slowly turning to the center, release your hands. Now from here, open your legs wide. Let's get into a deep hip opener now. Open your legs wide as you're comfortable. Stretch your arms up and then go forward. Breathe. Go as far as your lower back allows you. Continue to breathe. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently take your arms in, take your arms up. Breathe in, breathe out, arms down. From here, take your right leg over left leg, Gomukhasana. Right arm up, bend your right arm. Use your left hand to push your right elbow back. Sit long. Breathe, releasing your shoulders and your hips. Stay here. Then slowly release your right hand and your left hand. Then use your left hand to hug your right leg in, gently twisting to your right. Keep holding the pose, releasing your hips. Keep breathing. One more breath here. Breathe in. Breathe out. Gently come back to the center. Switch side. Left leg over right leg. Sit long. Take your left arm up. Bend your left arm. Breathe in. Use your right hand to gently push your left elbow back. Breathe. Slowly release. And then use your right hand to hug your left leg in, gently twisting to your left. Slowly release and sit back in cross-legged position. We are going to end the practice with one pranayama practice. Anulom Vilom, alternate nostril breathing. Gently resting your right thumb on the right side of your nostrils, sit straight. Breathing in through your left. Close the left with your pinky finger. Breathe out through your right. Breathe in right. Breathe out left. Breathe in left. Breathe out right. Breathe in right. Breathe out left. Slowly release your right hand, gently resting both the hands back on your knees. Sit straight, let your eyes be closed for a few more seconds. Breathe. Observe all the sensations you feel in your body now. Observe how you feel. Then on your next exhalation, gently open your eyes. Namaste. We are done with our practice for today. Thank you so much.